everyone, welcome back to my holiday organizing series where I'm uploading an organizing tip daily to hopefully help you achieve a little more organization this holiday season. In today's tip, I wanted to talk about scheduling your least favorite task first. Here's the thing, when you are putting together your to-do list of all the tasks you need to accomplish throughout your holiday season, try to always schedule your least favorite task first. Here's the thing, when you get that least favorite task out of the way, you will actually feel more energized and happier throughout the rest of the day. But if you leave it towards the end because you really don't want to do it, it is going to hang over your head all day and affect your whole attitude towards the day. So put it first on your to-do list, get it out of the way, and you will honestly feel more energized and more positive to tackle all the rest of those tasks on your to-do list for the rest of the day. Okay, I hope this tip helped. If it did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up. And if you would like more organizing tips like this, check out my downloadable PDF that I just created. I'll put the link to that in the description box below. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, now I'm telling you, if you just put that nasty task at the beginning of your day, your future self will thank you when you get it done. Think that'll work for you?